All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:56 in the morning of June 15th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So today, I got to keep this a little bit short. There's a little bit for me to do today before the opening bell. Essentially, the ECB has announced an emergency meeting, and they're most likely turning dovish on the inflation issue, which is interesting. That will most likely put a lot of pressure on the euro versus the dollar if you are a forex trader. In addition, gold ought to catch a bid with the dovishness that the Fed has just announced. Let's go over to the risk ranges here. So the risk range on gold here, yeah, and it has, okay, so the risk range on gold here, the bottom was 1811, and the top end of the range is 1887, and I think that it's probably a pretty good spot even after this sort of significant run here, 1.3% move. I think that it's probably still okay to average into a trade here for gold to hit the top end of the range. And then also today, I do not anticipate doing much trading today prior to the ECB's announcement. It's nice to see that the market will be opening up higher than yesterday. It's going to gap up a little bit over yesterday, but yesterday was a really choppy session, and I imagine that today is going to be really quite similar to yesterday's chop here until the FOMC minutes are announced, until the Fed makes its announcement. So both the SPY and the Qs I'm not too interested in. Oil and natural gas here. Let's go over here to oil and natural gas real quick. So oil is at the bottom end of its risk range. Now, I don't know if so oil's had one heck of a run without a significant pullback. It's gone from $96 here to a high of 121 or so, 122, in a rather short amount of time. And, it's a 25% move. And I guess its recent pullback here, let's look at its recent pullback from top to bottom is a 5% pullback. So, yeah, okay. So it's at the bottom of its range. The reason that I am somewhat hesitant on it is because of the dive that natural gas took. And does that mean that, energies in general fossil fuels are about to take a big correction? The process says buy at the bottom end of the range and sell at the top. So I don't know. I don't know about oil. Oil and gold have a tendency to go up together, so it's possible oil could keep going up today. It's hard to say. The dollar has hit the top end of its risk range. I think down in the dollar, maybe for a slight correction here, and then a new entry after a couple of red days on the dollar is a good idea. And that's where I'm going to end it today. So definitely bullish on gold. Kind of a question mark on oil's present position, whether it's going to continue to correct or move up from the bottom of its range. And what was it? Gold, oil, and the dollar. Yeah, I think the dollar's going to take a little bit of a break. All right, everybody, good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at tomorrow's strategy session. I am